Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into a beautiful petal painting effect using ChatGPT. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your ChatGPT and then next just tap on menu, this one. And then after that, just go to images like this. And then next just on this style image, just choose flower petals. This one, just tap on it. And then next just choose your photo from your gallery, or you can also take a new selfie from your camera. And in this tutorial I will just choose from my gallery like this, and then after that just upload your photo that you want to transform. For example like this, and then after that just tap on done like this and wait for the process. And okay, like this your photo will transform into a artwork made from flower petals like this that arranged to form the original image. And I think it's a little bit weird, but it's still good. The result is still good, and maybe you can try this effect with your another photo. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.